following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government, the National Weather Service, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Again, this is not a test. Please pay attention to this alert, as this United States of America is slowly coming to the end. At 2:30 a.m. Central Standard Time, the National Weather Service, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency have said that the Earth has been dripping down to 12 to 89 miles per hour, with the Earth atmosphere is beginning to growing big, with a massive huge earthquake forming the whole world. Many people are slowly dying as the Earth and the Sun are slowly dripping down. There are also been reports had said that the weather are forming to be a huge disaster as the Earth and the Sun are slowly dripping down each other at the same time, by hitting each other by a faster rate. Because at time is slowly exaggerating by the Sun as a slowly has been a form in the whole United States of America, it has been confirming that there is no way a solution to stop this huge crisis. The Earth and Sun is beginning to slowly turning into a softly dripping fury. And it has been confirmed that the Earth and Sun will continue to drip down until the humanity will slowly continue to be fury of the heaven. There's no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode. All residents of the United States and the rest of the world are hearing this. Gather your friends and family to pray the final moments on the Earth. This station will go off. It was one last playing of the national anthem. Please stand by, as we will include the final activation of the emergency alerts.